Okay, so let's try to do another hole, but this time we're not going to make a circular hole. So let's do a rectangle again, and let's touch this, okay, circle, but we want it to be uh, a big rectangle this time. We want it to be a 6 feet by 6 feet. So since we want the rectangle to be standing, we want to touch or point to the surface. When it's green, hold down your shift, and then you can click on this front surface, drag your mouse, release your mouse, drag your mouse to make sure there's a hole there. We messed up, we need to look at the hole. So shift, click, drag your mouse, okay, and then type in your size 6 feet, comma 6 feet, press enter, and then we're going to um, move it first. Let's move it 3 feet. So select, double click, move, select this corner, move to the right, type in 3 feet, and then we're going to push, select, push, and then type in 6 inches. And then you can actually select this whole thing by triple clicking 1, 2, 3. Okay, select point and then click 3 times. Okay, so again, select, and then I want to select the whole thing, so I want to do selecting it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then everything is selected. Right click and make it a group. Okay, now what I wanted to do is I wanted to make a hole, but I want to make it a square hole, not in the center, but a foot from this corner downwards and a foot from this corner rightwards. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw lines here outside of the group so it doesn't integrate. So we're going to draw a line going straight here, and then we're going to type in 12 for 12 inches, and it's going to stop there. And then we're going to draw another line 12 inches downwards, press enter, and then that's what we're going to start our box. Okay, so that's 12 inches from this corner and 12 inches downwards, and we're going to start the box now from there, that corner. So we now need to modify the block by double clicking. We're going to create a rectangle for a square. So simply point here, drag your mouse, and wait for the diagonal to appear. Okay, so there's a diagonal green line. If you don't see it, there is one there. So wait for that one to appear, or you can just use your keyboard without seeing that one. Anyway, you're gonna type it in. We want a 12-inch, comma 12-inch line, 12-inch line. Oh, 12 comma 12, 12 comma 12. You don't need to put the inches because it's by default inches. So we're gonna simply press enter, and that's our hole. We're now going to just push it to make an opening, highlight, push, and then touch on this back corner to make a hole, and then we're going to close the group, and all the extra lines that we've done, we have to erase them. So this one is erased. Now there's another line here that's hard to touch. You might erase it. So I usually just select so that you can see it turns blue. Okay, so there's a line here that turns blue, and then I can simply press delete on my keyboard, and it's deleted now. Okay, so that's how to create uh, a hole that's not a circle, and it's specifically at a distance from a corner, or precise distance. So go ahead and try that.